Caitlin's mommy's day. Because there's like a plethora of fucking big truck, big tire lifted ass fucking dudes in Oregon. With like their big old diesel trucks that drive like douchebags.
Yeah.
Oh, I fucking hate people. Oh, he's a mass. Oh, I fucking hate people. Oh, he's a masshole too. And I may or may not have yelled, "Alright, tiny dick" at one of them. He's like going 80. Yeah, he did. 2EKL59.
One for erratic driver. Brett heading east towards Continuea on 44. That one report an erratic Massachusetts driver passing people in the passing zones and brake checking them. I have his plate. 2 Echo Kilo Lima 59er.
He just did it again.
He's doing it again right now. 59 is the last two.
We have it on dash camera.
I have it on. Oh, we're heading 44 east back towards Continuea. I have it on dash cam too.
Oh, look, he's at a red light.
44 east. I just lost service because I drove through a dead zone. He just ran the red light. There's a biker dude right there.
Hey, police, trip to Agent for Tucker.
Hey, I'm at the light at 101. There's like 7 cops over here. Can you radio one of them to pull this guy over? I literally see 2 cops on.
Which light are you at?
Right next to Target. There's two
see
cops on a bike sitting there.
From the Toyota. Mark, do not get out of the car. Do not. Let them do their job.
He's at the Target light right now.
There's 2 bike cops.
Yeah, we can see the 2 bike cops.
By and talk to the troopers and make
Hell
yes,
yeah,
hell yeah, we will. But their light's about to turn green, so they better hurry up.
These guys are on the bikes.
They better hurry up because he's gonna go. He's gonna gun and he's trying to go.
Their radio's on.
Yell to them.
Going eastbound, he said these troopers. The caller said these troopers on bikes. They're at the parking light.
They're getting it, Mark.
They're crossing the road. I'm not even talking to him. Oh, they got him. Okay, they stopped him.
Alright, can you stop and talk to the troopers?
Oh,
please?
hell yeah, we will.
Or the officers?
Yes,
Thank
we
you.
will.
Yep.
Bye-bye. The guy was driving like a jackass, passed 4 people illegally, then brake checked them all. I'm fucking getting his ass arrested. I have it on dash cam. Yeah, he's a fucking
no
asshole.
passing zone. Pass people in no passing zone.
Oh, she,
Oh, that's one of the people.
I got him pulled over. He's right here.
You want to stop? We got him pulled over if you want to stop with us. He cut off her too.
No, the one behind me. The one behind me.
Did you guys call?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure did. We have it on camera.
Alright, he was just all over the place.
He passed 4 people illegally and then brake checked the car behind me after he passed her.
Yeah, the car behind us.
Did you get her? Is that why she's like,
No.
Almost.
Nope, but you can ask her. He stopped her. He did it to her too. Brake checked her.
This guy's a fucking asshole. He needs to be arrested.
oh, let us
Yes, because he
see
almost
what's going
cussed.
on first, alright?
Yeah, but you can ask her too.
Could we have a medical issue or whatever? We gotta check.
Yeah,
What's your phone number?
774.
Yeah, but you can ask her. He did the same thing to her.
What is it, 764?
Yep, 331.
Yeah.
1046.
And what's your name?
Mark, M-A-R-K.
What's your last name?
L-A-C-O-I-L-L-E. Oops, sorry.
LAC?
Yep, O-I-L-L-E.
What's your date of birth?
June 16, 1989.
Address?
43 Prospect Ave.
In Danielson?
Yeah. No, not fun section. The white car behind us, he did the same thing to her.
Yeah, he actually brake checked her.
He brake checked her.
Alright. He was, they have him on video. He ended up braking check. He was brake checking her.
He passed them all illegally.
He passed everyone illegally. I mean, if
He passed.
if they're gonna make a formal complaint, we'll just give him a. If he's not a 13, let's give him a ticket and just
Yeah,
bang it for that.
he passed us in the passing zone, but then he started passing people in a no passing
Well,
zone.
he's also passing. I mean, the whole point
You
is.
can ask the girl lady
It's not
behind
like he
us.
was doing that.
Yeah, he passed.
But
So you know,
he passed him in
44.
a passing zone, brake checked her. She almost ran right at him, right?
Yep.
And then he passed somebody else in a no
No.
passing zone. He went He went through a red
He
light
went through
in
the
front
red
of
light
us.
at 169.
Yeah, because he saw us behind him. Because we let him know. We're like, you're on dash cam, buddy.
Right there. Right there.
Is it a speech?
I don't know.
They're Facebook Live or shit.
Just be careful, don't catch you.
Can you borrow some gas? Get a little off. So this guy's getting a field sobriety test. This douchebag came upon us when we were doing a speed limit. Passed us on 44 when the lane ended illegally. Passed the car that is behind us. You can't see because you can see her outline. Passed her illegally, brake checked her. Then passed another pickup and then ran a red light. And we called up to him on the 101 over here, and we flagged down all the cops, and now they're making him walk the line. So he was doing like 90 to 100 and 44. Okay, I got Facebook Live it. It'll look great in the public space.
It's illegal.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
I didn't say shit to you, trust me. You do not want to push your limits, my friend.
Dashcam video when I get home. Hopefully it recorded. Looks like I came over and said something about his voice. I heard the words.
Yeah, he was slurring.
I'm really happy that lady behind us stopped. Fixing her.
I can't see shit.
Just making sure we're recording again, which it is. What's going on over here?
I
I
don't.
hear music.
I hear music too. I don't know. Is it like a fair or something?
We'll have to ask when we're done.
I'm guessing it's a fair because I see lighted up things. Oh, or is this when the fireworks got moved too? Is tonight from the rain?
Oh, it might be.
It might be. What's today's date?
20 something. Finally caught one! Motherfucker, driving a douchebag. That's what you fucking get. No, I'm tired, I swear, I'm just tired. Get arrested.
They just give him a ticket if it was just that he was drowning a douchebag. He's probably just gonna get a ticket for drowning a douchebag. He went through red lights and shit. And if you're that tired of drowning a douchebag, then perhaps you should go home and go to bed.
Give him all the tickets in the book. Driving, dangerous, speeding.
Crossing the double yellow line.
Running a red light.
Aggressive driving, because you're brake checking. I don't even know what that one is.
Road rage.
Yeah, road rage. It's not even like we were going slow.
Right.
Because as much as I hate to admit it, I was definitely going well over the speed limit.
Yeah.
He waited to pass me to the passing zone, and then he decided everyone else, he wasn't even going to wait for the passing zone. He was just going to blow right by them.
It wasn't a passing zone. That's right where the 2-lane head in. That's not a passing zone.
I think he's leaving them.
Yeah, it's the fireworks tonight.
It is the fireworks this when they moved them to? Yep. Oh, good. We get to leave.
Yeah, she's a kid in the car.
Thank you.
What do you say?
We can go.
He braked right there and she has a baby in the car.
Seriously, that's probably why she stopped. She's probably pissed. Right? Brake checking people with a baby. She's happy with it. She's laughing. Brake checking some of the goddamn baby in the car. Hell no.
He was passing everybody illegally. He brake checked her with a baby in the car after he passed her illegally. Fucking jackass. Fucking masshole.
Then he went through a red light because he knew we were calling the cops on him because we told him. Because we got it on camera.
I'm going to upload it to YouTube tonight.
Can we stop for, when we go to the subway, we're going to stop at AutoZone to get windshield washer fluid. Just dings at me about windshield washer fluid one more time, I'm going to flip out.
Yell at her, see if she wants the video.
No, I'm not going to do that in front of cops. I forgot the fireworks were moved to tonight. Could have taken the girls. I don't know if I want to come to all this craziness, though.
I do not. As much as I want to see fireworks, you can probably see it from the house.
We're not going to see it from the house. Maybe next year when the girls are a little bit bigger staff. It doesn't listen enough yet.
No.
So. Fucking douchebag.
Yep. Well, she stays in the pool next to her.
She's not going to want the fucking tape mark.
No, but thank her for stopping.
Yeah.
Thank you for stopping. You definitely got a baby in the car. What the fuck? Wow, he did it.
I was trying to catch up to him. I was just going to throw a shitty diaper on the windshield.
No, we have it on camera. That's why the cops got called.
Thank you.
No problem. Get behind him.